and now it's time to finally transform it. So we're doing an OEM plus transformation for the E36 that it does deserve. So starting with the first modification is going to be the M3 style front bumper bar for the first modification we're going to do for the E36 is going to be the new M3 style front bumper bars. Before I put it on, I have to connect lip to the bar, which I do have to drill in to the bumper bar as well. So I need to line that up, mark it up, drill it, put the bolts in there, and then we can start taking off the original bumper bar and we can put the new one on as well. So the holes are all lined up and drilled. Well, now all that's left is pretty much just to put that front lip on. Front lip is on, secured, pretty tight. I mean, I've done a really good job at that. All that's left is now pretty much just to put it on to the E36 as well. So let's do that now. The M3 front bar is finally on, and honestly it was a bit of a pain. I thought it was going to be easier than what it was, but I think getting the crash bar on behind it, putting on all the tabs because the old one was all broken, I think it was 100% worth it. It just looks so much better with the M3 front bumper bar on, with the front lip, the more aggressive vents. So next is going to be coilovers, and then after the coilovers we're going to roll the rear guards. After that we're going to get the tires onto the rims. Yeah, that's enough talking. Let's put the rest of the front bumper bar on and get to work. Just putting the last two boxes of the wheels, and then we can go get the actual rims and tires balanced and put on as well. Let's do it. So wheels and tires are all fitted, balanced, ready to go on the E36. Heading home now, then we gotta jack it up, put the coilovers in, roll the rear guards, and then test fit the wheels. But they look absolutely freaking insane. I love white wheels, and on the silver it's gonna look so good. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's put the coilovers on and take the old OEM shocks off. Alright, so right side is done, all tightened up. I measured everything and hopefully it's the right height. If not, we can, adjust that a little bit later on. So all that's left is the left side. So I'm going to do the left side off camera, and then we can put the front wheels on and test fit it. I put the front right wheel on just to test the clearance, and I can't believe how actually nice this has turned out. And the offset, the size and everything, even the tire profile of the tire size, I nailed it to the T. And once the car kind of compresses, you guys will see the camber that it will fit perfectly in line with the stock guards. You can kind of see there. So with the front camber that it's going to get, once it compresses, it's going to line up properly, perfectly. I'll go and get the heat gun and guard roller, and we'll roll these guards, and then we can finally put on the new wheels, which are going to look absolutely insane. Pull it this way, it's kind of positive. If I push it in, negative. Not an insane amount, but it's enough. So push it all the way to the right, and then we'll lock it in. The white on the silver the whole M3 front bar and the whole boxy shape of the E36, absolutely insane. I think this car has honestly exceeded my expectations. I had so much fun building this, the whole process from start to end, and I think that's what I really like about these old BMWs. They're so easy to work on and they look so good with just so minimal modifications. If you know what you're doing, if you know your right specs, the car, in my opinion, is just an endless shape. It's an endless style. It's a classic style too, which I absolutely love. Final piece of the puzzle, we have a new badge. So let me remove this one. And new badge is on. Here's just a little before and after, so old badge has seen better days. Changing out our PCV or CCV. And if we have enough time, I did get us a single DIN head unit as well. It's pretty outdated. There's like no Bluetooth, nothing, just a USB port. It's just like, I don't know. So I'm gonna replace this and put the single DIN Apple CarPlay. And it's out just like that. So that was pretty easy. You guys can already see how glunked up it is. Let me try to pull it out. Yeah, you guys can see it's pretty clogged up and messy compared to our new one. And this is our new one, so our new CCV, which is a lot cleaner. So it's not glunked up in there. It's just gonna flow a lot better, and it's gonna make the car breathe properly and how it should, and not idle bad and pretty much stall when it lumps as well. So it's all there, and our new hose down to the actual dipstick is also in. And there we have it. I brought it out somewhere with just a bit better downlight as well. And this is how it sounds now. Completely smooth, exactly how it should be. And installing our new Apple CarPlay version as well. So it's gonna be touchscreen, it's gonna be modern, everything's wireless. I believe it's gonna fit perfectly, but we're gonna have to find out. I don't think we're gonna need a surround. I think it's just gonna slide in perfect. Let's check the harness behind it. Okay, what I'll do is I'll inspect it and just make sure that I have everything right. So we got our harness. We needed this. This was the only thing that was kind of stopping us from being able to connect the iOS pretty much harness to the BMW harness. So we bought this as well. It's like an APP 021. All we got to do is go back and pretty much connect everything. It should just be plug and play, hopefully. But gives just a display, OEM head unit, factory socket, so that goes into the factory harness, iOS to the back of our new single DIN head unit for our E36. Let me show you, I guess, better example. This is where our new harness is going to go into. So ours is a 7-pin, so that's where we're going to be connecting our end. And whoever done this prior, yeah, they didn't have harnesses back then, so they did it the hard way, where you match all the wires and clamp them together. And that's the harder way. That's the way that you would have to do if we didn't have this harness, which was already pre-done for us. So yeah, this is a lifesaver. So I'm just going to disconnect that one, connect our new one in. This one's for radio, which I will never be using, so I'm just going to tuck that away somewhere. Disconnect that one, put our new harness in, and then connect it to the back of our unit, which is back there. There we go. I fit it in perfectly, so it fits pretty damn perfect, like it was made for it. Spotify, Waze, everything works perfectly. And it was only just like an $80 unit as well, you know what I mean? Like, you can just completely modernize the interior of the E36 now too, and just looks so damn sick. That is so cool. I think this is one of the coolest touches I've done to the E36 for sure. Now that I can finally listen to music as well, I think that's so sick. Alright, that's enough. Don't want to get copyrighted, but the E36 now has Apple CarPlay and it's wireless. That is, I can't believe it. That's so sick. E36 out. Last week we came here with the WRX, so today I brought my E36 mainly because I wanted to try and test out the upgraded ECU. I wanted to try out the new coilovers that we've installed and the wider 225. Last, if you guys remember, we brought this car here. It was completely bone stock, it was like a grandma spec, and now this is exactly how it's sitting. So it's super aggressive and I have it exactly how I like it. And no, we do not scrub, but this is it now. So the M3 front bumper we've done, again, we have a full video going over this whole transformation. I'll give you guys a quick little breakdown too. M3 front bumper bar, 57 DR gram light style wheels. These are absolutely beautiful. It's completely set off the whole car. And the sides, in my opinion, we nailed it. Like you guys can see at the back. Got it perfect. And I did pump out and flare the rear guards. This is how it's sitting now. Biggest upgrade, again, is the coilovers and the upgraded ECU, which we're going to test out today. And the upgraded ECU honestly completely changed the whole car's characteristics. I mean, that mid to high RPM range now, there's better torque and better power. It's tuned to 98 octane only, but it made the car a lot better to drive. But for what we're going to do today, I think the E36 is set up pretty perfectly. So it's going to be nice and quiet, and we can enjoy some windy roads and see how the wider tires, coilovers and ECU feel for this car as well. Honestly, headers and exhaust would be so nice. But the car loves it anyway. It feels nice because you can kind of, you know where you are through the corners, which is, I don't know, maybe just give it to the 50-50 weight distribution of the actual BMW. But the predictability is pretty easy. I mean, like where to put the car, where to be in the braking through corners, it's pretty forgiving. Kind of like trail braking. I think it is the perfect amount to have fun on roads like this. Now that we've kind of amplified it with the upgraded DME and ECU, I think it's a lot of fun to drive this car. The E36 looks so damn good. All right, so we made it to the top of the mountain now, and today is honestly such a beautiful day. Like, I don't know if you guys can see how clear the sky is, but it's such a nice day today. But yeah, so that was our little Toge mountain pass run with the E36, kind of testing out the coilovers, the new tires, and honestly those tires are insane, and the turn-in was just really good. Again, I haven't done a wheel alignment or anything to the car just yet. The car was absolutely insane, and kind of going over it, I think, like I mentioned before, if the E36 was manual, it would be just 10 times, or that much, or probably yeah, about 10 times better, to be honest. But other than that, it exceeded my expectation. The car was extremely planted. I wasn't expecting that because it's, I guess you could say, I didn't do an alignment or anything, and I just kind of slapped the coilovers in and put him in. But the car actually did extremely well. The automatic was a little bit hesitant, but the car overall chassis-wise was very good. So one thing that I will change is needs more better seat, or it needs better seats that hold you in. So a bit more of a bucket seat. Yeah, so it does need a bit more of a racing bucket seat, and the car will be that much better because the corner's actually insanely well. It's not keeping me in my seat. So I'm flying around. The ECU was absolutely insane. It was doing its job and was just really pushing me out through there. The car was revving out to about 6,500 RPMs, which you honestly shouldn't be doing that on an automatic. I think it was 6,000 is the limit, but it was hitting 6.5. The upgraded ECU kind of is meant to push the manual ones to 7,000. So I don't know what's going on there, but a little bit of a bonus for us as well. What a beautiful drive, what a beautiful day it was to bring the E36 out, and I hope you guys enjoyed that as well, and kind of like just a conclusion of where the E36 is at now and what's next. Of course, I do want to do probably a manual swap before I do an exhaust, but again, it is my daily, so I'm not too sure on that too. So it was just a really nice day, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me I do need to go home and wash the car, to be honest, because now it's filthy. But overall, it was a really successful, fun day, and I didn't know that the E36 was going to be this capable, even for an automatic. Gonna wrap up today's video for the E36 323i 1998 sedan as well. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll catch you in a future one where, yeah, who knows, it will probably be with the 34 or WRX, and we'll see what else we're going to do for the E36. See you guys, peace, and I'll see you then.